Discussion about fine spectra, right? So that already we got splitting of particular emission line into a group of fine lines we call as fine spectra. That is explained the theory of Bohr and Sommerfeld model of atom, right? Not only Bohr, an addition of Sommerfeld concepts is successfully explained fine spectra. How? That we are going to take a look. So, to explain fine spectra, Sommerfeld is modified, whatever the Bohr's atomic model is there, by adding of elliptical orbits. So, for that, already we know, if you take Bohr's model, every orbit is in circular one, right? Because electron is revolving around the particular nucleus. So, this is, you have to take it as n is equal to 1. Then, for this, Mr. Sommerfeld is not able to allot any particular elliptical orbit for first shell. But if you take n is equal to 2, second one, so it is having one particular orbit is like this, and another one is having elliptical one like this. Means each particular shell is existed with an additional of elliptical orbits. So here first shell, no elliptical orbits are present. Elliptical orbitals are present, right? But here one is present. Then if you take n is equal to 3, means third energy shell or third stationary energy shell, it is having first orbit is like this, and second one is like this, and third one is like this. Means for third Bohr's particular orbit, it is having two elliptical orbits, but second one is having only one. If you take n is equal to 4, it is having particular first orbit is like this, and this is second one, and this is third one, and this is fourth one. So, to explain fine spectra, Mr. Sommerfeld is modified every particular Bohr's model with adding of elliptical orbits like this. Elliptical orbits are there or not? So, it is completely like an oval shape. This is little bit oval. This is very little bit oval. But first one is having completely spectral shape or not? So, like that, he can able to add each orbit having a particular elliptical orbits. Such type of proposal from Sommerfeld in addition to explain fine spectrum. Understood? Again, if you take this particular n values indicates only orbit values, right? So, elliptical orbit values expressed with L. Elliptical orbitals expressed with L. So, here n is equal to 1. Then, elliptical orbital we are expressed with L or not? L. So, here n is equal to 1. But he started elliptical orbitals with 0. If n value is 1, L value he taken as 0. For that, when L is equal to 0, he decides the particular orbit is in spherical one. Right? Then second thing, here n value is 2. For that, L values are able to present with two things. L is equal to 0 and L is equal to 1. When L value is nearby to the energy value, that orbit is in particular elliptical shape. Means when values increase, the elliptical nature is started. Then here n value is 3. For that, first L value is 0, spherical one or circular one here simply. Here L value is 1, here L value is 2. When L value is increased, the elliptical nature is increased or not? Then here n is equal to 4. For that, L value is 0, L value is 1, L value is 2, and L value is 3. Then as L value is increased, the elliptical nature is increased. Due to this, when electron is particular revolving in this particular elliptical orbital, it is causing for fine spectra. So that is the assumption of Sommerfeld. Moreover, each particular elliptical orbit is having a foci, means a central point, right? So that may, if you take this particular midpoint, right? So this is the exactly midpoint to I consider this is the particular one, right? So this is the foci of particular elliptical one. So if you take any two elliptical orbits, any one of the principal foci is the center of atom or nucleus of particular atom. That decision, that concept is designed by Sommerfeld. So here this point is for L is equal to 1 and this is for L is equal to 2 foci. So either nucleus is presented here or here. So that assumption is taken by Sommerfeld. Same thing here. We have different foci. So here 3 are there. So any one foci is considered as the nucleus of particular atom. Right? So here whatever the elliptical assumption given by Sommerfeld, it is successfully explained fine spectra, but it is not able to give a particular clarity about the model of atom, because how the elliptical orbitals are present, for the question Mr. Sommerfeld unable to answer, because when electron is revolving, we have two types of forces: centripetal force, centrifugal force, right? So when two forces are equal, how it's possible to move an elliptical path? So in such type of questions, Mr. Sommerfeld unable to answer to such type of doubts. Even though this particular assumption is given, the exact explanation about fine spectra means these particular values are correct, but this particular question means how the centripetal forces, centrifugal force are equal, even though electron is choosing the elliptical path. For that question, he unable to answer. Theoretically, it is incorrect, but mathematically, that is correct. So this is the model of Bohr-Sommerfeld model of atom about elliptical orbits to explain fine spectrum. Understood?